Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a new lace glue product that was sent to me. The company is Lace Mate, and I'm just going to be installing a old lace frontal wig on my sister Sharon. So this wig is not new, and also this is not going to be a tutorial. This is strictly about the lace glue, but if you want to watch while I install her lace wig, you can, if you need a few pointers, but this is strictly going to be about the lace glue. Okay guys, so I was sent this lace glue by Sherry Boyd. She's a salon owner and a stylist in LA, and her company is called Lace Mates Cosmetics, and you can find her on Instagram at Lace Mate Cosmetics, and also she has a website, and I'll have it listed below where you can purchase this glue. But anyway, I received the glue in about 2 days, maybe about 2 days, I believe, and she stayed in constant contact with me through email and made sure that I received the glue and that I was happy with it. And so here I'm just I'm going to install this it's like an older, probably about a year old lace wig on my sister Sharon. And I'm just putting the glue down. Now this glue only takes 1 to 2 coats. Well, I only use 2 coats, and you can use 2 to 3. Actually, that's what she recommends. So I use 2 coats of it in very thin layers, and this glue dried so fast. It really dried fast. You didn't have a long waiting time. There was no white residue. And she still has this wig on. I put it on about 2 weeks ago, and she still has it on today, and it's still laying really good. They don't have any messy residue, and if there is, it's easy clean. If you have anything left over, any glue left over on the skin, you can easily clean it up with some alcohol. And this is like the cream of the crop in lace glue adhesives. It is really premium lace glue. Do you hear me? This glue works really well, works really fast, and is superior quality and is high performance. Like, you ain't got to do too much for this glue to work. It works a lot, and a little bit of it goes a long way. You can see that this wig has been cut already, and it's still sticking down, and it's also melting to the skin. And also she says that there is no harsh chemicals, and it prevents breakouts and like irritations to the skin from some of the other glues will make you have a irritation on your skin. I have a client that is irritated by lace glue, and she used some of the other more famous brands, but this one right here is very sensitive. It's for sensitive, and it's waterproof. If you use up to 4 layers, it's waterproof, so you can use it and put an additional layer on there, and it'll be, you can get in the water with it. And also, it works with your body chemistry, and it just performs well in high humidity, hot weather, excessive sweat, and you can work out with it with no problems. Okay, so as y'all can see that I put the melt belt on this wig, and you can see that the lace was melted down like really good. And this is an old wig, so it's like starting to bald in the front. I think I had to sew a piece of the lace, but after I laid this wig down, it still just really looked good, and there was like no extra cakiness or anything. Also, I used the got to be gel to lay her edges down. I didn't get any lifting of the lace, so even if you get it just a little bit wet, it won't start to lift, and I really like that. So here I'm just laying down our baby hairs, and you can see that it's laying down. I don't have any problem with it lifting, and it just looks really good. You got to be gel. So I'll just take a little bit of alcohol and remove it. I didn't get any residue from the actual glue or buildup on the skin. Only thing I had on there was just residue from the gel laying down her baby hair. And the wig is in place so secure. Like, that wig is not moving. I pulled it up in a ponytail. I didn't have any issue with it lifting at all whatsoever. So yeah, here's the container that it comes in. And if you're interested in purchasing this glue, you can go to lacemategcosmetics.bigcartel.com. I'll have it listed below. Thank you guys for watching again. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media. And thank you guys so much for watching. And also click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Thanks.